They're bright, juicy, and full of life. But the secret power of tomatoes goes far beyond your plate. Their secret, lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation, protects your heart, and even shields your skin from the sun. First, they support heart health and improve circulation. Second, they protect your skin and slow down aging. Third, they strengthen your immune system and reduce inflammation. Fourth, cooked tomatoes boost lycopene absorption, so your body gets even more benefits. And fifth, they promote gut health, keeping your digestion balanced and strong. Once called poison apples in Europe, people feared them for centuries, until science revealed their healing power. Tomatoes, bright, healing, and full of life. Follow for more natural wellness secrets.